Many homeowners turn to a water filtration system, such as installing one of the best whole house water filters, because they're not comfortable with either the well or city water they're using. When you care about the water that is touching your skin, as well as the quality of the water you're drinking, the whole house water option makes sense. We've researched and discovered the best whole house water filters for your home. These filters cover the options for every budget. Use any of these 5 recommended filters that improve the quality of your water, and also be aware of the 2 filters that don't quite stack up. And here are the Freshnss.com reviews of the 5 best whole house water filters, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the HomeMaster HMF2 SDGC. The highlight of this HomeMaster model is the flow rate. With a high 15 gallons per minute flow rate and replaceable carbon filter, it's difficult to find a competing filter. The gradient density based on its dual filter system produces filtration of 1 micron. Any particle, taste, or odor are captured quickly and easily. Although the ease of filtering from this system comes with a price, it's not in most people's budget, but if you can afford it, it's worth it. The HomeMaster is designed to remove chlorine, sediment, pesticides, and any number of chemicals. It's meant to meet the water needs of 4 adults, and the filters should last for a year. You can also use this filter system in conjunction with other systems such as a water softener or UV sterility. These features make it the best whole house water filter system for both city and well water. It's difficult to find a filter that meets so many needs, but the HomeMaster HMFS DGC delivers on all fronts. Coming in at number 2, the iSpring WGB22B. Removing herbicides, sediment, pesticides, chlorine, and heavy metals, this is an appropriately priced system. iSpring is known for using reverse osmosis, which is the best method for water filtration. The filters are large and can handle a large household without losing any significant amount of water pressure. So in the long run, you end up saving money on filter replacements after the initial investment. It starts with a 5 micron filter in its first stage, then follows with another 5 micron filter that is coconut shell carbon. These filters work together to eliminate odors, chlorine, and unpleasant tastes, as well as unwanted chemicals. The highlight of the iSpring system? It's easy installation. Although many people are too nervous to install a whole house water filtration system themselves, it's an easy task that most homeowners can do without problems. With a 15 GPM flow rate and large processing ability, it's earned the number 2 spot on this list. Coming in at number 3, the Apex MR3030 whole house water filtration system. This 3-stage Apex MR3030 system is meant to eliminate any form of water impurity you can imagine. From odors and bad taste to unwanted contaminations, this filter aims to eliminate it all. Unlike other filters, this one is all in one body, so it's easy to change all 3 at once. But the 3 filters used all 3 filter phased out different impurities. The first filter collects 1 micron pores, the other 2 take care of the chemical and heavy metal impurities. The filters are good for about 20,000 gallons, which are reasonable for a small household with 2 adults. However, if you start adding in kids, you'll need to change filters more often. A bonus for this price is water flow rate. A 15 GPM at this price is nearly unheard of for water filters. If your budget is in this range, you should consider the Apex a quality option. Coming in at number 4, the Aquasana Whole House Water Filtration System 10-Year Pro. Is it expensive? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. The 10-Year Pro from Aquasana is a top-tier whole house water filtration system that's intended to serve a moderate to large family home for 10 years. That's a big commitment, but they keep their promise. The longevity of this device is incredible, and it requires virtually no maintenance. You can also combine this device with softeners or a UV sterilizer. It filters out chlorine, rust, solvents, lead, mercury, pesticides, and other chemical contaminants using a 3-stage filter system. So what's the downside that keeps this filter from the top spot here? Well, the installation takes a practiced hand and it has a low flow rate. A 7 GPM flow rate is much less than we've seen with other filters, but your water is extraordinarily clean. It's a decision that you can make based on your household water needs. Coming in at number 5, the Watts WHLD Premier Whole House Water Filtration System. The most cost-effective option on this list is the Watts WHLD Premier Whole House System. It is built with a simple design for efficient filtering. The unit operates with a switch that bypasses the filter, making filter changes easy. It's a single filter unit. However, they're designed to set up a series so you can string together 2 or 3 of them to achieve multi-stage filtration. Another benefit is that the available filters of varying micron grades are all around $5 or less. They do need changing every 6 months or so depending on usage, so keep in mind that the better filtration, the more often the filter changes. If you enjoy tinkering or want to gain some hands-on experience with filters, this is a great option and it's cheap. And now for the whole house water filters to avoid. The Pelican PSE 2000 Whole House Water Filter. Extraordinarily expensive and failing to meet even standard expectations, the Pelican PSE is a whole house water filtration system that isn't worth it. Many users report a taste difference but no change in the amount of scale or hard water stains they're seeing. Now, this isn't expected from water filters except that what Pelican claims to accomplish. They claim that this system is both a water filter and a softener. The softener part fails, which means that the price difference isn't justified. The water quality is great, it's just unfortunate that the softener portion doesn't meet anywhere near expectations. Many homeowners, however, find that they have space for either a water softener or a whole house water filter of this size and have decided between the two. And the next to avoid, the DuPont WFPF 38001C system. If you're looking for the best whole house water filter system, keep looking. This DuPont WFPF 38001C is not the filter for you. This system appeals to those on a budget, but you also get what you pay for here. Where does the DuPont system go wrong? Well, it leaks. Many homeowners regularly report that the system leaks directly in after installation, but there are many times that the installation will go over well and then months later it starts to leak. What you're saving in the initial cost, you'll pay for in installation. The installation is difficult, and unless you're very experienced, you will probably need to call a plumber. Unfortunately, with the amount of leaking, there isn't much to review on the actual filtering. Spend another $30 or $40 for a system that will filter your water and not cause water damage. And now our final thoughts on finding one of the best whole house water filters. If you want low maintenance, a high capacity water filter that processes all the water in your house, then you know a whole house water filter is for you. But finding the best whole house water filter relies on a few important factors. First, choose the type of filter that suits your needs. Second, ensure that the system you're interested in has a water flow rate appropriate for your water needs. Finally, factor in lifespan and filter replacement as part of your budget. Hopefully this information helps you find the best whole house water filter system for your home.